Hi everyone, this is Donna Burke, and today I'm going to be doing part one of a two-part series on the time management module, Module 3, Managing Time and Study Space. So let's take a look at the module and get started. So managing time and study space, you come in here and you, as always, my module starts with a to-do list. Although I want to give you a little tip, I would take completing the time management project and move that up. You want to be looking at the time management project this week because it requires you to do a 1-week log of your activities. And I'm going to be doing a separate video just on the time management project. But for now, word to the wise, check that out. You also have a link down here to deadline dates where it says course calendar. So if you're wondering when these things are due, you can check that. So on the first thing that we come to is online discussion number 3. This is not your surface online discussion. This is a much more in-depth online discussion and is going to require more of you. So from the textbook, you need to take one of the following 2 assessments. Then you need to go online and do 1 or more of the following time management quizzes and go to the LibGuides and find an article about helpful hints for time management. So you need to do those 3 things. And then from those 3 things, do a summary essay, like a little mini submission for your discussion. So a mini summary of at least 2 paragraphs, 150 words, that answers these 3 questions. What did you learn from doing those quizzes? A brief overview of the LibGuide article that you read and at least 3 tips from that article, and explain how this information applies to your college and professional life in improving your time management, and be specific. So you do that introductory post first, then you go back and you comment on at least 3 classmates' posts with substantial comments. So substantial means 25 to 30 words, talking about something that they posted, relating back to the material and sort of, you know, finding commonality or giving them some suggestions too that you may have found. So get to work on that. There's also a quiz on time management and study space. I would suggest you do it maybe like after the first week or so of this process. Another journal on learning support, so take a look at that. And then here is the time management project, which is, like I said, a big project. I'm going to do a video just on that. So make sure you get in there and you start looking it all over. I suggest you possibly even print it out if you can, but really take a look at that early. Down below are some things that you might want to look over to help you with the time management project. Here's where you find the LibGuide for the online discussion, where you can find the articles about time management down at the bottom. But these are also some time calculators and things to help you to discuss within the project and in the journal and other things about how you use your time and how much time should be devoted to certain practices. So make sure, like I said, you're in there, you're getting stuff done. I'm going to do a video just on the time management project alone. But as always, like I've been talking about, the most important thing for you to remember is to go deeper. Have your answers be thorough, using specifics, integrating information from either the textbook or some of the resources that we've put out there. And so this is a much more in-depth approach to analyzing your time management. So be on the lookout for the time management project video and get to work. See you guys.